Howdy, everybody. How y'all doing today? Well, me, I'm sitting here trying to stay dry. It's pouring down cats and dogs outside, and it's raining pretty hard. And so I'm not gonna do anything. No, I'm gonna cook me some leftover chicken wings, some curly fries, and drink me a water. And well, I hope y'all stay dry, and I hope y'all have a blessed day. And I'm gonna enjoy me some good old homemade cinnamon sugar apple pie. Yes, sir, Bob. It's gonna go down good. Well, y'all have a good day and stay dry. Bye.